Hello, everyone. My name is Toya Bennett Barnes, and what I do is I create inspirational quotes and poems, and I put them in poetry frames that I customize and design. Along with that, I'm a motivational speaker and poet, servicing the young adults and children to be empowered in Christ. So, I wrote a book to help young Christians and young adults and children to stay equipped for spiritual battle and being confident. I attended the boot camp and was able to complete my manuscript in just 3 days. I pre-sold more than 20 copies of my book. And one additional thing I learned from the boot camp is how to leverage myself as a motivational speaker, the importance of how to set goals, the importance of goal setting, and how to quickly format the book at an easy read. So to get a copy of my book called Gain the Victory 7 Powerful Strategies to Win Spiritual Warfare, you can check out my website at presale.toy.howtowinspiritualwarfare.com. Again, that's presale.toy.howtowinspiritualwarfare.com. Thank you so much for your time, and y'all be blessed. Thanks.